Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and wanted to know how you could draw this in CorelDraw. It would almost trace, I would bet you, if we made it smaller and traced it. But this would be really easy to draw. If you would go to your common shapes or basic shapes and pick an arrow, we're going to pick that one right there. Hold down the control button so you get a perfect shape. And then go up to object and convert it to a curve. Now we're going to open up the Windows Docker's corners. And that isn't going to work. So let's grab it all with the shape tool. Grab all the nodes. And see one of the edges is too much. So we're going to have to reduce it in size. Let's go like 0.15. There we go. That's pretty nice. Now, let's close up this Docker and go Effects and Contour. Let's contour the outside a ½ inch. Too much. Let's go 0.35. That's pretty much the exact shape. And then if you wanted those exact colors, you could use your Smart Fill tool to get a color of that and fill that in. It looks awful more blue, but I think it's just because the blue is in there. Color eyedropper, get the blue and put it in there. And then don't forget to select it all and right click no outline so you won't have that. That's incredible how close it is. Somebody evidently did that in CorelDraw. And the thickness of the line could be more or less. You could still play around with that quite a bit. If you only did it like 0.2, you're going to have a thinner line. We've still got that color pick, so I'm going to use it. And then go back to get your eyedropper and fill that in. And once again, take away your red outline. In case you have some items, this is mainly, I would guess, for printing, but that's pretty cool. I like it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.